What if the biggest thing holding you back in life is not your circumstances, your past, or other people, but the version of yourself you refuse to outgrow? What if real transformation begins the moment you stop waiting for life to change and start changing yourself first? In this video, I'm sharing powerful ideas and personal reflections from Nothing Changes Until You Do by Mike Robbins. The central message of the book is this: life changes when we change. Many people spend years hoping circumstances improve, people behave differently, opportunities magically appear, or life suddenly becomes easier. But the book teaches external change often starts with internal transformation. The way we think, react, communicate, believe, and treat ourselves deeply affects relationships, confidence, emotional well-being, success, and life direction. One major lesson from the book is many people operate unconsciously through habits, fears, emotional patterns, and limiting beliefs. Awareness creates the opportunity for change. When people become more aware of their mindset, emotional triggers, behaviors, insecurities, and habits, they gain more control over their lives. Awareness creates transformation. Real growth does not begin through self-hatred. Many people constantly criticize themselves and believe harshness creates motivation. But the book explains, self-acceptance creates healthier emotional growth. This does not mean avoiding improvement. It means acknowledging your humanity without constant self-rejection. Many people stay stuck because fear feels safer than uncertainty. Fear may appear as procrastination, perfectionism, avoidance, overthinking, people-pleasing, or self-doubt. The book teaches growth usually requires discomfort. Stop waiting to feel completely ready. Accept discomfort as part of growth. Courage grows through action. One deeper lesson from the book is many people exhaust themselves trying to appear perfect. The book encourages people to stop hiding constantly, stop performing for approval, and live more authentically. Authenticity creates emotional freedom, confidence, stronger relationships, and greater peace. Stop comparing yourself constantly to others. Allow yourself to be imperfect and real. Focus on authenticity over external validation. Real connection grows through authenticity. One of the strongest lessons from the book is that transformation rarely happens instantly. Small internal shifts gradually affect habits, confidence, decisions, relationships, and opportunities. Small changes create long-term transformation. Many people spend years waiting for life to improve externally without realizing that inner patterns often shape external results. This book reminded me that emotional growth, self-awareness, and authenticity can completely shift the direction of a person's life over time. Nothing changes until you do reminds us. The moment you begin changing internally, your life slowly begins changing externally too. If this message resonated with you, comment "Change starts with me" below as a reminder to focus on personal growth, self-awareness, and intentional transformation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in mindset, emotional growth, confidence, or personal development today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.